It's a beautiful day outside.
Oh, look at the baby.
I missed you so much.
So today, since it's gorgeous outside, I'm gonna delete this factory Jpipe on my turbo and try and get my engine bay to look much cleaner, just for a little bit, because the engine's coming out anyways, for ARP head studs and new gaskets. Okay, I snapped my fingers now. Maybe it'll disappear in the video. Maybe. I wish things worked like that in real life. Oh god! I smashed my finger! Oh! Oh my god, look at this restrictor. This here increases boost. I need a 10 mil. Oh my god, I found one! I need some pliers. Ooh, pliers. Now I need some bigger pliers. Ooh, got some. Well, we missed a bunch of footage because my camera decided to stop recording without my consent, but I got it off. For those of you wanting to take this off, it's held on by 3 main bolts. One of them's a bracket, the other ones go to the turbo inlet itself, and there's a bunch of small little bolt brackets for the wiring harness all over this. Alright, maybe that camera position will be better. So I took this recirculation tube off because something has to plug tube inlet back into the engine. Shout out to Gum Out for the bottle cap that fits perfect. That's how you do it right there. Now I'm gonna have this really sketchy snake. It's just gonna be chilling right up here. All right, I'm gonna put the sketchy snake back on. Yeah. Bam! That's how you do it. All right, got a closer look. It's no more. It looks so much better. Might as well do something while I'm waiting to pull my engine out. First start on the new Bill. Bill, bro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like, comment, hit that subscribe button because there is much more to come. It's gonna start picking up pretty quick because it is now 45 degrees outside and it's supposed to be really nice the next couple of weeks. Hopefully the snow stays away. The next thing to come to order is my manifold, and then I'll order all the little bits and pieces to go with it. Hopefully I'll have the power gains that I want, and I will be having a dyno video as well in the near future. But yep, thanks guys for watching this little funny video. I hope you enjoyed.